Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chetan Kalal. I am a consultant hepatologist and liver transplant physician. In this video, we are going to talk about two most prevalent diseases in India, that is alcoholic liver disease and non-alcoholic liver disease. In India, alcohol consumption is widespread and a kind of social habit, posing to a significant burden on the healthcare system. Because of the excessive alcohol consumption, it can lead to the spectrum of the liver disease called as alcoholic liver disease, which is nothing but the constellation of fatty liver, if not treated, can lead to alcoholic hepatitis and ultimately can lead to liver cirrhosis, which is nothing but scarring of the liver. So excessive alcohol consumption or alcohol abuse is one of the major problems in India, especially in the rural population and amongst the youth, because of the lack of awareness, because of socio-economic condition and the cultural habits. So I request you to please limit, if not at all cut off, the alcohol consumption, because it is something that is a man-made disease, and if we could avoid it, we can significantly reduce the burden on the healthcare system, as well as we can prevent the potentially life-threatening diseases like liver cirrhosis. Now, let's turn our attention to the next disease, that is NASH. NASH is nothing but non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, which is a spectrum of the disease where one end of spectrum there is simply fat, which is called as NAFLD, that is accumulation of fat of more than 5% of liver fat. Second stage is NASH, that is non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, which is nothing but inflammation of the liver secondary to excess of fat. And the third and the advanced stage is fibrosis, where the normal healthy cells are replaced by scar, and it is called as cirrhosis or end stage liver disease. So typically this disease is seen in non-alcoholic, yes, as the name suggests, non-alcoholic, amongst the people who don't drink excessive amount of alcohol, and it is closely associated with obesity, sedentary lifestyle and metabolic dysfunctions like diabetes, blood pressure, visceral obesity, family history of diabetes, family history of hypertension. By adopting lifestyle modifications like healthy diet, physical activity and maintaining ideal body weight, we can prevent the occurrence of fatty liver disease. So early diagnosis and the intervention can prevent potential complications of simple fatty liver disease to NASH and subsequently cirrhosis. In conclusion, increasing awareness about the ill effects of excessive alcohol consumption and abuse, and also adopting or promoting healthy lifestyle choices are essential in preventing liver damages because of these disorders. Thank you.